Looking for a detail sander that combines precision, performance, and convenience? Let's dive into the best options out there. The Worx PowerShare cordless detail sander is designed to tackle those tight corners and intricate spaces with ease. Its compact size and cordless design provide flexibility, allowing you to maneuver freely without the hassle of cords. The sander operates at 12,000 orbits per minute, ensuring efficient material removal for a smooth finish. Additionally, it comes with a finger sanding attachment, making it even more versatile for detailed work. However, the sander is equipped with a brushed motor, which may not offer the same efficiency and longevity as brushless alternatives. The dust collection system, while helpful, might not capture all debris, potentially leading to a messier workspace. Also, the battery and charger are sold separately, which could add to the overall cost if you don't already own compatible Worx PowerShare batteries. In summary, this model is a handy tool for detailed sanding tasks, offering cordless convenience and versatility. Its lightweight design and included attachments make it suitable for various projects. Make sure to check out the links in the description to grab any of these products from Amazon. The Craftsman Detail Sander is engineered to provide efficient sanding performance for various projects. Operating at 14,000 orbits per minute, it ensures rapid material removal, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The rubber over mold grip enhances user comfort and control during extended use. Additionally, the sander includes a detail attachment to access hard-to-reach areas, increasing its versatility. However, the dust collection system, featuring a one-handed locking dust bag, may not capture all debris, potentially leading to a less tidy workspace. The sander's corded design might also limit mobility compared to cordless alternatives. Furthermore, the included sanding pads may wear out quickly, necessitating frequent replacements. In conclusion, this detail sander offers reliable performance and user-friendly features for detailed sanding tasks. Its ergonomic design and included attachments make it a valuable addition to any workshop. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful reviews and tips. The BLACK+DECKER mouse detail sander is compact and ergonomically designed, making it an excellent choice for accessing tight spaces and working on intricate surfaces with precision and ease. The sander operates at 16,000 orbits per minute, ensuring rapid material removal for a smooth finish. Additionally, it includes a detail finger attachment, enabling precision sanding in hard-to-reach spots. The high-performance dust collection system with microfiltration helps maintain a cleaner workspace by capturing fine dust particles. However, the sander's corded design may limit mobility compared to corded alternatives, requiring proximity to power outlets during use. The dust collection canister, while effective, might require frequent emptying during extended sanding sessions. In summary, this model offers a practical solution for detailed sanding tasks, combining power and precision in a user-friendly package. Its versatile design and effective dust collection make it a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Which detail sander would you choose for your next project? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. The Skil corded detail sander is a versatile tool that combines detail and finishing sanding capabilities. Its compact design allows for easy access to tight corners and edges, making it ideal for intricate sanding tasks. The 1-amp motor delivers 12,000 orbits per minute, providing a smooth performance across various sanding applications. The integrated microfilter dust box efficiently collects dust, helping to maintain a cleaner work environment. However, the corded nature of the sander may limit mobility compared to cordless models, requiring access to power outlets during use. Additionally, while the dust collection system is beneficial, it may not capture all debris, necessitating occasional cleanup. In conclusion, this model offers a practical solution for both detail and finishing sanding needs, especially suited for DIY enthusiasts. Its ergonomic design and effective dust collection system enhance user experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. The Craftsman V20 cordless detail sander is designed to deliver precise sanding in tight areas. Powered by a 20-volt max battery, it offers variable speeds ranging from 9,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, allowing users to adjust the tool's performance based on the project's requirements. The sander features a dust-sealed switch for enhanced durability and includes both a dust bag and a 1/4-inch vacuum connection to manage dust accumulation effectively. Its lightweight design and D-handle grip provide additional comfort and control, especially during vertical sanding tasks. However, it's important to note that this device is sold as a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included and must be purchased separately. Additionally, while the dust collection system is beneficial, some users have reported that it may not capture all debris, potentially leading to a messier workspace. In summary, this model offers a practical solution for detailed sanding needs, combining power and precision in a user-friendly package. Its cordless design and variable speed settings make it suitable for various projects. The BLACK+DECKER REVIVA cordless detail sander is a compact and eco-friendly tool designed for precision sanding tasks. Its triangular sanding base allows users to effectively reach corners, tight angles, and intricate areas, making it ideal for refinishing, smoothing surfaces, and removing rust. The tool housing is constructed with Triton Renew 50% certified recycled material, equivalent to the weight of 11 16.9 fluid ounces single-use plastic bottles, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. However, the integrated battery design means that once the battery's lifespan ends, it cannot be replaced, potentially limiting the tool's longevity. Additionally, the sander delivers over 30 minutes of runtime per charge, which may not suffice for larger projects without frequent recharging. In summary, this model offers a sustainable and efficient solution for detailed sanding needs, especially suited for small to medium-sized projects. Its ergonomic design and commitment to using recycled materials make it a noteworthy addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Check out the Amazon product links in the description to grab your favorite detail sander. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.